Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Emirates Boeing 777X. Now this one is in the old livery, not in the new one, and this is made by Welly and Daron. Over here this is the box. It's got nice detail on the back. It's got some officially licensed stickers for here and here. And let's get to the unboxing now. Alright, so here's our airplane. Very nice looking plane. Alright. And we've got our second off. Now, here is the airplane. Wow, this is a really nice looking airplane. Probably one of Daron's best, actually. Looks like it's got some smudges of paint around. I don't know if you can see, but like over here, we've got some like paint smudges. And also over here, I don't know, maybe it's got something to do with the new Daron production, but like, it's not a Daron plane, it's a Welly plane, so I'm not sure. Anyway, it is a nice looking plane. So, starting from the front, the in-depth review, we've got Boeing 777X, the Emirates logo, Emirates.com, the Arabic translation, front door, second door, third door, fourth door. We've got the Emirates logo, and they also have it painted inside, compared to the other Daron planes, which don't have it painted inside, like the logo. And then we've got the Emirates tail, very nice. And then even the winglets are, like the foldable wingtips are also painted, front and back, so like bottom and top. And it's got some really good detail. I would probably recommend this plane for any Daron collector. And the best part here is it's got rolling landing gear everywhere, unlike the actual Daron planes, which have like a fixed front nose. So would I recommend this? Yes, it's a really good plane. Yeah. This is the Emirates 777X. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.